Okay. Well, we are live.
In Venice.
Venice Beach.
Amazing. Show the palm trees.
The palm. This is my. I think this is my first time
Ever.
recording it. Max is usually the cameraman. So.
We're back here at
beginner's
Flower.
luck.
We're back here in Venice. Our 5-unit in Rose and 6. We bought it back in July. We started construction a few months ago. I think we walked it pre-construction, where we went through like what our job scope was going to be, what we were going to do. Well, here we are. We're about 7 to 10 days out. The unit interior should be done in the next 5 days, and then we're going to hit the exterior. So the exterior looks ugly, but we figured let's do a quick check-in, show the progress, and then once we're lease ready, we'll come back and show you what these units are going to lease for. And I think the big thing, it's like we look at the process of from buying the building, going through the escrow, closing on it, taking over ownership. We look at getting it to a point to start construction and what needed to be done. I remember we added laundry to these units, and you would think, oh, you just add laundry to the units, but the truth is like it took us 2-3 months with the city just to get permits, and then it took another 2 months with the city to get sign off on those permits for installing the laundry. So that was the longest process for this project. But we think that adding laundry, I think it's probably the #1 addition that renters are looking for, and that's going to increase your rental income. I think in this area for a 3-bed, probably get like an extra $250, $300 a month for having laundry in unit. Like, it's so convenient, right?
Mm-hmm. And something that you and I have been talking about recently, especially a lot of the buildings that we've been renovating, if we intend to hold them for the next 10, 20, 30, who knows how many years,
50.
Hey, did you remember that building we bought?
Exactly. If we plan on holding these assets a long time, then it's like, may as well spend the extra 2, 3, 4 months, whatever it is, to make sure the pipes are good, roof, foundation, electrical. Like, why set ourselves up for the next 10 years of ongoing annoying maintenance requests? Like, just do it right the first time. And I think it's very tempting as an investor to try to get things done quickly and cheaply. But as we've learned, both from other people telling us and from now learning from ourselves, it just doesn't make sense, especially if you look at the man hours that are involved. If you look at the costs involved, it's just bite the bullet, do it the first time around. Still trying to figure out how to use this camera.
Yeah, you're good. I'll adjust. I'll adjust.
Max will move to the camera instead of the camera.
And the other thing that we talk about, it's like you're talking about a $3 million project, right?
Yeah.
Between the purchase and the construction and everything, and the
Right.
carry and the loans, and it's like, why should we be fighting over $5,000 or $10,000? It's like, if it's going to improve the property, the operation, the function, and future maintenance, like, spend it now. Spend it. And while guys are there already doing it, like,
exactly.
let's just do it.
Why wait until there's new tenants in there?
Yeah.
Lesson learned.
Let's
All right,
go.
let's
You
show.
want to flip the camera?
Flip it.
I'll do it.
Thank you,
Cameraman.
Thank you, team.
All right, so this is the
effort.
building. So we're gonna actually put in hedges here to create like some privacy. Here, I'll get into front.
Yeah.
We're gonna build some fencing and a pedestrian gate, and then do some new landscaping to really create privacy. And this whole front yard is gonna go to this front unit. It's a 2-bed. We'll pop in there, show a 2-bed, and then we have 3 beds that we'll also show. But we just feel like outdoor space. We had a building in Palms, a 1-bed. We got an extra $500 for having this huge front door, our front yard.
There she goes.
There she goes. So I think creating having a common front yard, it adds value to the property, but I think not as much value as designating it for a certain tenant. And then we're also looking at creating private patios on the side. So.
2 parking spaces for this unit, right?
2 parking.
2 parking. 2 parking, no barking.
So next time you see this building, next Instagram Live or whenever we come back, you'll see the fencing, the hedges, everything that we're talking about in this private front yard.
It'll be a different shade of blue.
Oh yeah, it's a nice purple.
Is this purple or blue? I can't really tell.
I think purple. I don't
Okay.
know. Are you wearing purple?
I'm not wearing purple. That was yesterday.
Sorry. So this is a 2-bed, 1 bath. We put in the ACs into the wall AC, and heat. So we got rid of the wall furnaces, those old wall furnaces. Nobody wants them anymore. They're an eyesore. We're gonna paint the fireplace like a really cool gray, and then we actually, this was closed off. So right here was like a wall. So we installed this pony wall that you can put a couple bar stools at. We'll have a drop down hood and range, so it's gonna be really cool. We'll see it in one of the other units, but just creates that open concept. We did the high gloss acrylic cabinets. So this is actually just a covering. They're actually white. I think in one of the other units we'll go into, we'll see. But just like really clean. If you want to step in here.
Yeah, the cabinets are not blue. This is just the blue covering on them.
You see the white here.
But yeah, they're actually white.
Yeah.
When I first saw them, I said, "Wow, Max, nice color choice for the cabinets." But no,
So
they're
this is where the
actually white.
laundry is going to go. So we had to install these hookups, the venting. So having this in-unit washer dryer is a game changer. We have that, really nice brushed nickel finishes. Dishwasher's going to go here. It's actually installed in one of the units. Appliances are installed in one of the units, so we'll see that. So then off the kitchen, living room, you have both bedrooms and the bathroom. I don't want to spend too much time here because one of the other units is close to being ready, but you can see the tile.
Oh yeah.
It's similar to Pleasant View, another project that we did in Venice that we walked. We took a similar design. So really cool mosaic, separate tile on the front and the back, new vanities, new vanity light fixture.
Still got to center that one, right?
Yeah, center it.